So here's the deal. You have to be thinking about, am I working towards my freedom or am I working towards my dependency? Now, what is freedom and what is dependency? Freedom is I work on my terms. I do what I want to when I want to. Freedom is I have the ability to make money whenever I need to make money. Freedom is I have the ability to make my own decisions, and I have the money and I have the time and I have the wherewithal to be able to have choice. And really, choice is freedom, right? So let's talk a little bit about financial freedom this morning and what that looks like and what this means. And if you're so inclined this morning, share this, because if people learn about financial freedom, if your clients hear me teach about financial freedom, if your colleagues hear me talk about financial freedom, if your friends, your family, your cousin, whoever hears me talk about financial freedom and they get a little more free, it makes you a little more free, and the more free we all are, the more choice we have. Shannon, my debts are paid, growing retirement fund. Jackie, it's the ability to buy the goods and services I need and want, not desperate to earn income. Great. Okay, I don't think any of those are wrong, but I just want to give you a different framework for financial freedom. A lot of people think financial freedom is what Yoki said, like living secure, right? Or live as I choose, or have I want to do whatever I want. A lot of times people will say to me, do what I buy, what I want to buy, do what I want to do, whenever I want to do it. Here's the definition of financial freedom I want you to start working from today. The definition of financial freedom I want to start working from today is having all of the money that I need or want, losing it all, and knowing that I can get it all back again. Having all the money I want or need, knowing that I could lose it all, that I could have it back again. Let me tell you why that shift in that idea is so critical. Most of you are thinking about the idea of having all the money I want. Financial freedom is not an amount of money. Financial freedom is a skill. It is a tool. It is a hammer. It is a wrench. It is a screwdriver. It is a tool, because true financial freedom is money comes and goes, but I know how to get it back. True financial freedom is I can be up, I can be down, but I know how to get back up again. True financial freedom is something can happen and I can get wiped out, but I have the skill, I have the knowledge, I have the understanding of how to get it back again, right? So as I teach you about financial freedom, if I have a team member on this Facebook Live this morning, can you text me and say I'm on? Because I want to do a couple of things and I need to know if I have a Driven Inc. team member on. So if you are on, somebody text me and say I'm on with you, Suzanne. Okay, so does that help give you a new framework? Can I get some hearts? Can I get some thumbs up? Can I get some yeses? I get that. I get that that's a new framework, that it's not an amount of money. It's not how much money you have in your bank account. It is an understanding that I can have money, I can lose money, and I can get it back again. It's a skill set. It's a tool set. It is an ability to make money whenever you need it. Jackie Black is going, oh, and I hope that's a right brain exploding, new idea. Teresa saying she gets it, right? So here's the deal. When you think about the idea of this tool and the skill set, this is how you have to be thinking about. This is how you have to be thinking about this new now, because when you have that ability to make money, everything is easier.